Hello students of Standard 9. In Geography, you are going to learn today Chapter 9, Weathering, the Formation of Soil, Part 1. What do you mean by weathering? Weathering means disintegration of rocks or breaking up of rocks. How? By the means of agents, whether they are physical means or chemical means. But rocks are disintegrated due to the main agents like temperature changes, frost action, or due to the moisture present in the atmosphere. As you are going to learn weathering, today you have to learn some terms: weathering, erosion, and gradation. Weathering is the breaking up of rocks or disintegration of rocks. Weathering takes place due to the external forces. In the previous chapters, you have studied about the different landforms on the surface of the earth. They are being affected for a long period of time, and the landforms which are formed on the surface of the earth, they are being changed. And because of this, the rocks are also disintegrated. Weathering takes place by different means or agents like moisture present in the atmosphere, or the temperature changes, or in the polar region due to the frost action. Second term is the erosion. What is erosion? Removal of topsoil by the agents of erosion like running water, glacier, and at the coastal region, sea waves. In the desert region, winds are the main agents of erosion. What do you mean by gradation? Gradation means the leveling of the surface of the earth. Due to the process of weathering, the rocks are disintegrated and changed into very tiny particles. Due to the process of erosion, the weathered particles are transported and taken to somewhere, and in the low-lying region they are being deposited. And they are being deposited layer by layer, and in the low-lying areas they level it, and this leveling is known as gradation. There are two types of gradation, but these are of different meanings: degradation and aggradation. What is degradation? Degradation means it is similar to erosion, removal of weathered particles and transport it, and lower the part from the higher areas. When the weathered particles are carried by the methods of transport or agents of transport, that area is degraded, means removal of weathered particles, and the areas, or if the area is higher, that lowers. So this is degradation. Aggradation is the deposition of sediments, and that makes the lower area changes into higher area. So both processes are involved in gradation, leveling of the surface of the earth. If you see the meaning of weathering and erosion, there are some differences. So what are the main differences between weathering and erosion? Weathering is the breaking of rocks or disintegration of rocks. Erosion is the removal of topsoil. Second is the temperature changes. Frost and moisture are the main agents of weathering. And the main agents of erosion are running water, glacier, wind, and sea waves. Weathering is a static process. All of a sudden, the landforms cannot be changed. It takes place to disintegrate the rocks a long period of time. It is a very slow process, but erosion is a dynamic process. This can change the surface of the earth in short period of time. All of a sudden, due to erosion, the surface of the earth can be changed. So it is dynamic. Every day there is change due to the external forces like running water or raining water or wind in the desert area or coastal region by the sea waves. So this is a dynamic process. If you see the agents of weathering, they are found in the atmosphere like temperature changing, moisture present in the atmosphere and frost action due to the temperature changes that is found in the atmosphere. But the agents of erosion that takes place on the surface of the earth, and they are found, the main agents are on the surface of the earth, that is running water or glacier or sea waves. So there are difference between weathering and erosion. So do learn about weathering. Thank you.